Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Somebody brought to my attention in the last video it was a little dark. I ran out of daylight when I was working on it and the quality wasn't that good, so I'm trying not to do that this time. I still got some time. The install isn't going to take that long. Today we're going to be installing the Burns Auto carbon fiber door handle. I'm getting rid of that nasty chrome one right there. It's gonna look so much better. Alright, so we're gonna get right into this install, and you're gonna want to locate this area on your door by the door handle, and we're gonna pop that out just like so. And you'll take that Phillips head screw out, and then there will be another clip down there in the door, just like so. You can take the screw out, good. Put the one down in here. Now we got those two screws loose. I'm just going to put them right here on my mat there. There's going to be clips holding this door panel in around, and you're going to have to pull each one of them out. So yeah, now we're going to pop these door clips out, and the easiest way to get in there is by the speaker, I think. Just pry them out. See all the clips that are coming out? You're going to pull them all out throughout the door. Try and pry where the clips are so they don't get stuck in the door, then you have to pry them out. See over here, there's probably one right here at the top. I should just be able to lift this up. And voila. Get something to set it on, so it's not just hanging by the wires. Alright guys, now we're going to want to remove, if you're hard to see, there's two Phillips screws down here. One right there. That to the side, and get the other one that's down there. Set that to the side. Keep holding on to that little plastic piece. And now the whole assembly has come loose. Okay, so we're going to snap that little lock. Make sure it's locked. Snap it out. Pull the ball out. For the bottom one, the door handle, pop the black piece out and pop the ball out, and the whole assembly comes out. Now we'll do the same. This is exactly the same. Get that ball in there where that belongs, and then snap that black piece together there like that. Yeah, that works. Alright, make sure the door's locked. Put the ball in that position there and lock that in place. Now that should work. Alright guys, now that we got that together, remember that black piece we set aside, we'll get that now. And it lines up right here. And these two, where these two slots are, these slots line up there. and these two holes should line up. That's where the screws are going to go. So that'll go like that. Then we get these clips lined up there. And there's two pins that will pop in the bottom. This is like an exact OEM fit, guys. There's two clips right there. And right there, that clip in, that holds it in place till you get the screw in. But you gotta be putting pressure on it. So get that screw on there. So, and now the other side. Like so. Don't want to go too tight and crack the plastic. Now that we got the screws back in and it's secure, we can kind of position this back on the door and see if it's going to work. Oh wow, look at that. Okay guys, so there's these white clips that hold the door panel in, and a couple of them got stuck in the door. So what you're going to have to do is try and be careful not to break them, or you might have to buy some extra, but try and use this flathead screwdriver and pry it out. Alright guys, we're going to try a different method here. I got some really strong string type of floral string you can get, or you know, fishing wire. I'm going to try and get this under the clip and pry the clip out that way. But you might need like a small flathead screwdriver or something to get under that last layer. You don't want to do it around the first layer, so you want to try and get under and in there. That's what I'm doing. Trying to do it without breaking them, otherwise you have to go to the dealer and buy a bunch of new clips. Luckily, I think I only have 3 that got stuck in there, but they'll still charge you a bunch of money for this stupid clip. Put it that way. Here we go. Getting it started now. There we go, we're in. I'm gonna wrap it around. Get a nice good grip on there. Alright, now we should be able to just pull it out. Okay guys, we're getting close now. Just pull on it up, and it should pop loose like that. That was really hard. Then you'll take it and push it back where it belongs like that. Now, I think I got one more of those to do. And I'm going to tape this back up because it ripped off. We don't want that. We got one more to do down there. I'll do that. And then we're going to hook this sucker up. Alright guys, we got all the clips out now. And I'm just going to tape this plastic back up because I ripped a little bit of it. And I don't want anything nasty getting in if there's a possibility. So we'll just tape it up like that. You can see we got all the clips back in. So now this is going to slide in the top there. There we go. I'm going to start, I guess start from the front and then work your way back on the top part of it. And then you'll just go around and push all the clips in. And now These screws should line right back up, and yeah, they do. So that means we got it lined back up right. Get that screwed back down. Alright guys, we'll get that one last screw right there. Be very careful not to scratch any. Alright. Perfect. Don't want to go too tight. We got that one. And we got that one. Now those will clip back in like that. Like that. So, as you guys saw, that wasn't too bad of an install. Got rid of those nasty chrome handles with some nice carbon handles, and now I'll just need to get rid of that centerpiece. So guys, that's all I got for you today. I'm going to be having to take off my summertime wheels. Here in Kentucky we got snow the other day, and I'm really dreading to have to take these off. I don't want to take them off. I'm going to have to put my stock ones back on that I got sitting over here.